Let's start with the obvious. You probably already know about the top 4 metaverse stocks. I'm talking about the likes of Meta, that is Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and Google. These guys are already gearing up for the metaverse, and if you're being honest, they are also well positioned to win a significant market share in the metaverse. But in this video, I'll be talking about some other companies and ETFs that are also very well positioned to win big in the metaverse. So stay glued. Over to you. Stocks number 5, Roblox. Roblox is a platform for playing games that was launched in 2007. They have a community of game developers that create games and earn from it. Consider Roblox as the YouTube for game developers. The other main function of the platform is socializing. Roblox encourages its users to interact with other online players. The platform and the games are mostly free, but what is not free is the aesthetic items you purchase to make the gaming more interesting. And of course, the game developers get to keep a portion of these transactions, and once they've made enough money in Roblox, they can then switch it to their local currency. A game developer can make as much as $1 million a year. But of course, it's not just individual creators that are making money. The company itself, Roblox, is worth over $40 billion as we speak. The company also went public in March 2021. Some other things that might be important to note is that some time ago the NFL opened a virtual store in Roblox. In November, Nike launched Nike Land, an area within Roblox in which users may play games, check out products, and socialize. The platform has also been used to host concerts and teach lessons. A Lil Nas X show in Roblox brought in 30 million viewers. Do with that information what you wish. Stocks number 6, Nvidia. Nvidia produces graphics and video processing chips for high-end computing and AI. Its products make it a powerful contender in the world of the metaverse. In layman's terms, many of the games you play make use of Nvidia's graphic processing unit, also known as GPU. And a GPU is simply a technology that allows images to appear in your gaming device. What's more exciting to note is that Nvidia is creating its own metaverse platform known as Nvidia Omniverse. The Nvidia Omniverse platform is a platform used for connecting 3D worlds into an integrated virtual universe. It has a wide range of enterprise applications ranging from design collaborations, simulation of the real-world architecture, to tools for training robots. Not to mention, Nvidia also pays dividends. It's paid a quarterly cash dividend of $0.04 per share on December 23, 2021. All things considered, it is difficult to not add Nvidia stocks to your watch list if you're bullish on the metaverse. Stocks number 7, Nikes. I'll be surprised if you don't know Nike, but just in case you don't, Nike is the world-leading designer, marketer, and distributor of authentic athletic footwear, apparel, equipment, and accessories for a wide variety of sports and fitness activities. In December, Nike just stepped into the NFT world with plans to produce digital shoes that you can see but not touch or wear. For those who don't know, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Nike also recently acquired RTFKT Studios, and in the words of this studio, they call themselves a leading brand that leverages cutting-edge innovation to deliver next-generation collectibles that merge culture and gaming. In layman's terms, these guys create or design virtual shoes and similar accessories just like Nike does in real life. So of course, this acquisition makes sense. Not to mention, Nike also pays dividends, and recently they've been seen to be hiring for some key metaverse positions in their company. So what's it going to be? Are you going to be getting some Nike shoes or some Nike stocks? As for me, who says I can't do both? Stocks number 8, Autodesk. Autodesk is a software corporation that makes game-changing software and product. Engineers and architects use the Autodesk application to virtually design 3D buildings and infrastructure projects. What's impressive about Autodesk is how it has a wide array of products that are designed specifically for building virtual reality and augmented reality 3D animations and buildings. If you think about it, this sounds like a perfect fit for metaverse construction, which makes them a powerful player in the metaverse. Stocks number 9, Fastly. Just like cloud computing, the metaverse will need a lot of edge computing solutions to make it happen, and that's where Fastly comes in. Fastly operates an edge computing infrastructure as a service platform that brings servers and other equipment to the source of data creation. In summary, it helps to reduce the lag time and latency of decentralization. Just imagine the amount of data that will be needed to create the virtual world in real time. Without these edge computing solutions, these applications would not function properly. Stocks number 10, Unity Software. Unity Software. Without realistic graphics, the metaverse will honestly never catch on, and that's where companies like Unity Software come in. Unity Software's 3D animation creates lifelike representation that have use cases in different industries. Its main focus though is video games, and it has tools for developers to monetize and grow their games. In November, Unity acquired Weta Digital. Weta or Weta, I don't know, but you get the point. Weta Digital is a company specialized in 3D creation, simulation, and rendering, and they were acquired by Unity Software for $1.6 billion. That is to say, Unity sees a massive opportunity in the metaverse and is working tirelessly to capture a significant market share. So it goes without saying that after the acquisition of Weta, that Unity seems to be positioned to capture the new revenue streams of the metaverse, digital infrastructures, and NFTs. And last but not the least, the METV ETF. The METV ETF happens to be the first metaverse ETF that is currently tradable in the US stocks markets. So if you're the extra conservative type and you want to take things slowly, and you're someone who will naturally go for an ETF such as Vanguard and the likes, then METV might just be the right one for you. This metaverse ETF tracks a number of companies that have a large chance of winning big in the metaverse. These companies are the Meta platforms, that's Facebook, Nvidia Corporation, Microsoft Corporation, Roblox Corporation, Unity Software, Taiwan Semiconductor MFG Limited, Apple Inc., Snap Inc., Autodesk Inc., and Amazon Inc. If you notice, you see that some of the stocks that they actually track have been talked about in this video, so you're very welcome. So that's it, guys. These are some metaverse stocks that you can keep an eye on, and if you would like to do the same thing for some metaverse cryptocurrencies, click this video.